Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'll show you how to change name on Evony. So let's get started. First, open your Evony game. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on your username and then input a new name. Once you're done, tap on OK. And then tap on Change button. You have to spend 200 gems on changing your monarch name. If you are sure, then tap on Confirm button. And this is how you can change name on Evony. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.